Hello and welcome to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare PRO products, its services and its usage. In today's video, let's talk about massage guns. Massage guns are getting popular day after day. No matter it's an athlete, no matter it's a physiotherapist, no matter it's a person who is active in his or her fitness journey, they are using massage gun very heavily. So what is this all buzz about massage gun? What are these and how does they work? We are going to discuss all of them in today's video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Friends, massage guns are a kind of tool which basically uses percussion therapy as the science behind it. So percussion massage is very effective in achieving not only muscle relaxation but also helps in achieving muscle recovery. That same principle of percussion massage is used in massage guns. So percussion, vibration, when goes to a muscle, it causes good relaxation, increases the blood flow and improves the recovery time. And that's why massage gun is very popular in preventing delayed onset muscle soreness or soreness that usually a person can experience after intense workout. Not only that, there are many benefits which are associated with massage guns. These benefits are: number 1, reduction in muscle tension. Number 2, improved blood circulation. Number 3, stimulation of lymphatic system. Number 4, reduction in soreness after workout. Number 5, improvement in sports performance. Number 6, improvement in muscle mass. Number 7, improved rehabilitation and recovery after injury. Number 8, pain relief. Number 9, stimulation of nervous system. Number 10, facilitation of lactic acid release from the muscles. Number 11, increased mobility, flexibility of the muscles. Number 12, breaking up of scar tissue. So here are so many benefits associated to the massage gun. Massage gun basically have 4 major parameters based on which you should choose the right massage gun for you. Number 1 is the amplitude. Number 2 is the stalled force. Number 3, battery capacity. And number 4 is the kind of attachments that you get with it. Now, as I said, there are many massage guns that are available in the marketplace, and you will also see variation in their price ranges. Most of the time, a good massage gun is the one which has got good stalled force and has got good amplitude. Studies have by far proven that massage gun, when used immediately after a workout or else any sort of physical activity, can help you in reducing the muscle spasms that can very easily occur due to soreness or delayed onset injuries. At the same time, it maintains the flexibility of the muscles. Hence, it's a very effective and efficient tool when it comes to recovery of muscles. You can very easily use massage guns around your upper back region, lower back region, your thigh region. You can use it over your gluteal muscles, you can use it over your hamstring muscles, you can use it on your calf muscle, etc. Massage guns are easy to carry and are completely portable, and thus make a very great utility beneficial tool for rehabilitation and well-being. I hope through this video I was able to give you a small understanding on what are massage guns and how do they work. In upcoming videos, I will share with you more such health informative videos just on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel and do not forget to press to that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. As well as also visit www.ultracarepro.in to check out all their range of rehabilitation and pain management tools and products. On that note, I'll see you in another video. Thank you.